Yes, welcome back to the class. We're starting the training already. Today, I told you we are going to be talking about the different stitches that we have in crocheting. Okay, now, but before we get into that, I want to show you how to unwind your yarn. Most of the time it comes in one strand on the outside, so you just pull out the outer parts. But there's a but, because these are Nigerian yarn, so we need to work with two strands together. So depending on the project you are doing, if you are crocheting a dress, you can decide to use one strand. But if it's something stronger like accessories, earrings, that we're going to be working on, like a rose that we're going to be crocheting, like what's it called, the scrunchies, that is the hair ruffles. So because of that, we are going to be needing two strands. So how do you use two strands with just one yarn? So instead of working with two yarn at the same time, there's an hack I'm going to be teaching you. So after getting the outer part of the yarn, you just tuck your two fingers, your thumb and your index finger, into the midpoint. Just roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it. Then you bring something out. Can you see that? Did you see that? So you're going to look for the hand, and if you can't get the hand easily, or it's too what's it called, it's too so choked up and everything, or you can't get to the hand, all you just need to do is cut your yarn. So that's why I advise you get an acrylic yarn that can be cut easily. So acrylic yarn, they are almost 100% cotton, okay, so that you won't get yourself injured while trying to cut the yarn, or you can just use a pair of scissors to cut it out. So, and you're good to go. So I took my outer hand and my inner hand. So let's get straight into how to make a slip knot. What did I call it? Slip knot. S-L-I-P-K-N-O-T. S-L-I-P-K-N-O-T. Yeah, that's a slip knot. So how do we make a slip knot? You're going to do as if you want to tie something. This is the beginning part. You put all the beginning parts, take it around your two fingers like that. Just let it cross. As it's crossing, it's crossed over. Then I use my yarn to pick it all out. I've made my slip knot. As simple as that. Let's do it again. So I took the longer part over the shorter part, the beginning part. Then I use my hook to bring it all out. Then I've made my slip knots. So mind you, there's something you will notice if you are wrong or right. Let's do that again. Fold it over the shorter part. This is the beginning part. Hold your beginning part, fold it over the longer part, then use your hook to pull it out. Is it simple or not? Yes, I think it is. So the longer part, when you pull out on the longer part, then you're correct. If the shorter part is what is pulling out, then you are wrong. Yes. If the longer part is what is pulling out, then you're correct. So we've learned how to make the slip knot. Thank you.